Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So this vlog is about my visiting to my native place, our hometown, like after so many years, and especially on this occasion of Jagadhatri Puja, because we Kolkata people cannot even imagine the lavishness, the amazing light ups, the amazing pandals that the place. I won't take the name right now because I just want to keep it suspense. When I will be visiting, you guys can understand what I'll be telling that. So it's 5 in the morning and it's like really chilly outside, and I haven't wore a jacket. It's really cold. And special mention, forced mention, Mr. Abhijit Das, my dearest friend, for waking me up at 4 or 4:05 in the morning so that I can get up ready and make our breakfast and some coffee for the ride. So I'll be showing you guys how I went there, what I did in the way, and how I enjoyed there. I hope you guys will definitely like this video. So we finally completed all our packing stuffs. We have put everything in the car now, ready to leave. So here's to the journey. So we are in the highway right now. We have quite made the time to the highway pretty early. So here's Papa relaxing and very serious driver. So here's two more somethings. We'll keep updating. Okay, so we have taken a short break, a coffee break in one of the petrol pumps in the highway. We will be reaching our destination very soon so that I can reveal you guys where I am going right now. So yeah, the environment is too good now. It's very nice. So yeah, looking up to the rest of the journey which is left. So the break time is over, but I have to show you guys something. This is some amazing beauties we met in the break time. So the break time over and time to leave. So here's to the rest of the journey. Krishnanagar for the Jagadhatri Puja celebration, and it's just equal to Durga Puja celebration in Calcutta. It feels so good. Same ambience. So we have finally reached our home, freshen up, and we had our breakfast. It was a bit late. We reached very late due to like really heavy traffic, but we came here again. We are feeling like Durga Puja as we are Kolkata people. So here Jagadhatri Puja means half Durga Puja for us. So it feels really nice. As I think you can hear that the mics are like, I think this is the best time to visit Krishnanagar or Chandanagar because both places are the most amazing one during this puja. So looking forward to the day. I hope we see the pandals on time. Yeah. So this is the afternoon time and I have my my new guest appearance for this video. My closest friend and my only reason to come my second most important reason to come Krishnanagar after almost 10 11 months we met again, and we're gonna have chill. We're gonna do whatever we want in these 4 days because I'm going to go mad with this girl. So this is the scene at 4 a.m. in the morning in Krishnanagar, and we are here in this pandal, which is something really cool. People goes crazy, man, and it's really chilly. Completed another pandal. It's chilling and people are there also, but they don't care. Never mind. Yes, this is the field and we are chilling like anything. So here's going to another one. So the most special and the most auspicious pandal of Krishnanagar, that is Budhima. It has some really, good meanings. She fulfills everyone's wishes and many more beliefs, makes her a perfect one. So now here it is, the amazing Budhima. and we're still hopping, pandal hopping. I'm feeling like Durga Puja in Kolkata right now because Jagadhatri Puja is as lavish as Durga Puja in Kolkata. I'm really looking forward to more. Still, it's 5 in the morning. It's chilly in the morning. So let's see where we go. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning and we are still pandal hopping. My driver is driving, still driving, and people are sleepy, very sleepy. Still one left, and after that we're gonna go back home and take rest. That's all. And we are finally done with the final pandal for this Jagadhatri Puja pandal hopping, and I was really anxious about seeing and exploring all the pandals for the very first time because I haven't seen any of them in my entire lifespan. So my friend is tired, very tired. Mom is tired too. We are chilled too.
Yes.
And so we are going back to home. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please keep watching.